Thinking about starting your own healthcare provider? It's a big step, filled with challenges and opportunities. Today, we're going to break it down into manageable steps and show you how to make your dream a reality. First things first, you need a solid plan. It's like having a roadmap for your business. Start by identifying the kind of healthcare services you want to offer. Will it be primary care, specialized services, or maybe home health? Think about what's needed in your community. Research your competitors and what they offer. It's important to know what makes you different and how you can stand out. Next, let's talk about the legal stuff. You'll need to choose a business structure. This could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Each has its own benefits and limitations. For example, a corporation can offer liability protection, which is always a plus. Once you've decided, it's time to register your business name. This is where legalregistration.com can make things a lot easier for you. Licensing and certification are crucial. The healthcare industry is heavily regulated, so make sure you understand the requirements for your specific services. This might include state licenses, federal certifications, or both. It can get complicated, but remember, legalregistration.com is here to help with any of your registration needs. Don't forget about insurance. This isn't just about protecting your business, but also about gaining trust from your patients. You'll need general liability insurance and possibly malpractice insurance depending on your services. It's a smart way to safeguard your investment and ensure peace of mind. Let's talk money. Starting any business requires capital. You'll need to consider costs like equipment, staff salaries, office space, and marketing. Make a budget and explore financing options like loans or grants. Having a financial plan helps you manage resources effectively and avoid surprises. Hiring the right team is next. Your staff is the heart of your healthcare provider. You want professionals who are not only skilled, but also share your vision and passion for quality care. Conduct thorough interviews and background checks to ensure you're bringing on the best people for the job. Finally, think about marketing. How will you let people know about your services? Consider a mix of online and offline strategies. Social media, a professional website, and community events can be great ways to connect with potential patients. Remember, first impressions count, so make sure your branding is clear and welcoming. Starting a healthcare provider is no small feat, but with the right planning and resources, you can absolutely do it. Remember, for all your incorporation needs, legalregistration.com is here to help. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for more information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your healthcare journey.